Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CVM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that, yeah, the price got beat up today, but the bulls also did go on a very nice bounce. I mean, I think we can all agree that from, the low points of the day to where the price ultimately closed here, well, was it an epically huge bounce? No, but there's no doubt about it. From where it was at its lows to where it was, on the close, the bulls definitely did show some signs of progress via the bounce, which now leads to that valid question and logical question of, is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is this the start of something bigger, or is this, what we would call in the world of charts a dead cat bounce, aka a fake bounce? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is going to be right here at, let's see, what is that? The $1.45 mark. Why is $1.45 so important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $1.45. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range where it was when it was flirting with those lows. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows right there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps in the upwards direction showing progress. And again, that's the name of the game. So definitely $1.45 is a very revealing level tomorrow, revealing in the sense of whether or not, this, bounce movement actually has any sort of, actual momentum behind it or not. In terms of levels of resistance, the level that stands out to me, whoops, clicking the wrong buttons there. So let's try that again here. Is going to be this little downtrend line right there. So if the bulls can get a break up through there, then, the price could definitely get up around that $1.80 mark, but one step at a time. And it first starts with getting up above that orange trend line right there. So interesting movement, nice bounce. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going into tomorrow? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.